The coworker who reported me to HR checks my Instagram profile more than my own mother does. I found out last week, and I have not been able to look at her the same way since. I installed a tool that shows who actually opens your profile. Not likes, not story views, the real visits, with usernames, with exact timestamps. I expected my ex, maybe an old friend. Instead, the #1 visitor was the woman who sits 2 desks down from me, the one who barely says good morning, the one who told our manager I was not a team player. 216 visits in 5 weeks, almost all of them between 9 and 10 at night, right after she leaves the office where she acts like I do not exist. Some nights, she opened my profile 6 separate times, same evening, same hour. Then it got stranger. Visitor number 3 was a manager from another floor, a man I have spoken to maybe twice in 2 years. He opens my profile every single Monday at 8 in the morning, before the workday even starts, like he is checking a report on me. And a recruiter I had blocked months ago was somehow still getting in. New account, no photo, same person. 40 visits since the exact day I blocked them. Here is what nobody tells you. The people who watch you the most are almost never the ones who like your posts or leave a comment. It is the quiet ones, the cold ones, the ones who act like they could not care less about you. They are the ones who cannot stop looking. And the more distant they seem in real life, the more obsessively they check. The silence is not them moving on. The silence is them watching. Instagram knows exactly who opens your page, how often, and at what time. They just decided you are not allowed to see it, because the moment you can, everything changes. I can see all of it now. Every name, every timestamp, every person who pretends they forgot I exist. The link is in the description.